Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to show you the products that I'm going to be using in this video. And we're starting with, look at that. This is Glitterbels and it's chunky gold. Wowza. Oh, look at the sparkle on that. And then broken gold. They're all Glitterbels. Beautiful. There's only going to be a little bit of that used. And soft gold shimmer. No, sorry, it's not. It's liquid gold. Dazzling Dragonfruit, which I don't know if you can see that, it has a bit of shimmer. That's lovely. Obviously I picked up some of the glitter there in that. It doesn't have all that glitter in. And then I'm going to be using these just on one nail. These are from Glitterarty nails and they're holographic, so they just show different colours in different lights from different angles. And then at the end I'm going to put some of these gold gems on, which you can get from Blue Street Crystals, TNBL. Pretty sure Glitterarty nails do them. They do everything else, so sure they do those. Swarovski. And I'm also going to be using glass slippers and Snowdrops White for my 3D flower at the end, and for a bit of marble. So those are the products. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like the finished look, and thank you for watching. So I'm starting with a marble, and I've just picked up the Dazzling Dragonfruit and some Snowdrops White. And I'm just going to get the cuticle nice and neat and just pull that down. And put the two colours together and swoosh them about. And that one I picked them both up at the same time. Swoosh them about. Blend them in together. And this is with the liquid gold. And a bit more liquid gold. A bit too much liquid gold there, so I'll just douche that off a bit. Which is ooshed, is the technical term. And now some broken gold, a bit of added sparkle. And just dot that about. I'm happy with that. Move on to the next one. And this one is going to have flowers on. It's going to have some of the holographic flowers. And I did say at the beginning that I only used them on one nail, but I actually used them on two. I decided to put a few on the pinky as well. But I'm going to put them through this nail and just a little kind of row of them going through the centre slightly at an angle. And where it was a little bit thin, the colour at the bottom or at the tip, the free edge, but I wasn't too worried because I was putting the flower on there, so it didn't really matter. And now some of the broken gold. Again, for some added sparkle. You've always got to have added sparkle. dot that about here and there. And then this one is going to be a full Dazzling Dragonfruit, because I'm going to do a 3D flower and a couple of petals on this one. Just adding another bead. And I'm just going to brush that join back a bit so there's no line there. And a little bit more there. And there is no harm in adding and adding and adding as much as you want. And then this one is going to be the Dazzling Dragonfruit, just faded out to clear at the free edge. But I did start with a very small bead. A little bit too small. But again, you just add, so it doesn't matter. And it's better to have a smaller bead that you can keep control of and keep it nice and neat, and then add a bit more than have it just swooshing all over the place. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you like the video, please hit the like. Share it with anyone else you think might like it. And that's the broken gold. So the only nail where I've used the liquid gold is on the marble. And now I'm going to put some of the holographic flowers on. That one just got away from me, but it doesn't escape for long. I do pick it up again. And I put some clear on for these to stick onto. Just a bit of clear acrylic. And then I'm going to cap with glass slippers. Just going to bring that down, just to walk it down the nail. Tuck it in as I go. Just going to stretch it down. It's going to want a little bit more. Bit more down at the free edge and just tuck it back, blend it back I should say. Oh, there she is. Like and share. That is actually me. I'm talking about myself in the third person. And another one up at the cuticle, just because. And I don't bother showing you capping all of them. And I don't show the filing either. So now we're onto the acrylic nail, and this is Snowdrops White. And this is not a 3D brush. This is actually Kirsty Meakin's brush. and I'm not even sure what size it is. I think it might be about size 8. I like a bigger brush for this. I'm just tucking that round. I'm going to put the other one there, opposite, dead opposite that one. And I always hold on to the bead. I pick the bead up, so I dip my brush, I wipe the brush off both sides, then I twizzle the brush on my lint-free table towel. I twizzle it around to get even more liquid out of it. Then I pick up the bead and I hold the bead on the brush just for a few seconds so that it doesn't just splat everywhere when you put it on the nail. And then even when it's on the nail, you still need to wait until it goes matte before you start to press it out. And then as the more it dries, the harder you can press. And I tend to give it a little wiggle as well, the brush, to make some of those lines that make it look a bit more petal-like. So I'm pressing it out with the belly of the brush more. Well, it is the tip as well, because I've got a bigger brush than a standard 3D brush. I'm still really using the tip. And I'm going to put a little bit more white on that first petal that I did in the centre, because I just feel that it's a little bit too transparent there. A bit less of the pink showing through. Now I've put a bit of clear in the middle to set a crystal onto, and that will hold on there lovely with that clear acrylic. And then another petal here, so just leave it for a few seconds. And then I've got that brush on the side. And just gently, gently pushing out, always from the centre. So the point of the brush is always in the centre. And then just manipulate the petal up to give it a bit of shape. And one more, just to finish it off. And this is totally basic petals. And my husband says, oh, why has it only got 3? What's happened? Looks like it's got a petal missing. But I like it like that. And I'm quite happy with it. And anyway, there's the missing petal. It's fallen off. Well, that is just about it. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to next time. I hope you come back. And I'll see you then. Take care, everyone. Bye.